Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT for homework without getting caught. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open ChatGPT, and here you need to write an essay. So I'm going to write an essay of 100 words about let's suppose we add any country name, so United Kingdom. Okay, hit enter. So it will start generating an essay for me, but you can easily get caught because this is an AI content. Let me show you a tool, writer.com AI detector. Open that tool and copy the text from here, paste here, and click on analyze text. And here you can see that only 32% is human generated, so you can get caught. So how to avoid this? You simply need to go on to the Google and you simply need to search for this website, toolbot.com. This is a paraphrasing tool. Here you need to put the text, click on paraphrase, and it will start doing paraphrasing. Okay, then you need to copy this and check again. So here you can see that 93% is human generated text, so it looks great. So this is the process by which you can use ChatGPT for homework without getting caught. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.